Hi, my name is Derek Henry with XLEV8 Consulting, and in this quick video we're going to walk through how to use and update a couple of common macros, the toggle cell highlight and the cell highlight picker. Now the toggle, this is by far one of the most used macros there is. Personally, I think I use this more than any by a long shot. What you're going to want to do is select any of the cells where you want to change the fill color and run it. Now the default shortcut for this is Control and lowercase y, and it's just going to toggle through your 5 favorite colors and then back to nothing. Any of the cells that you've picked, it's going to use the top left one to decide what to do. So if you have a different color here and you pick a different range, you see how the top left one is yellow, it's going to go to the next one. Right? Very, very simple. Now, why is this helpful? Because it's a pain to come up here to the cell colors, fill colors, especially to click the little arrow and get just the right color. If you've got a scheme where each color means something, then you probably care about getting it just right. Now let's say we want to change these default colors. If you don't like the yellow, orange, red, purple, green, then you can set whatever you want. So if we like the shade of blue right here, what you're going to want to do is run a different macro. We're going to run one called the cell highlight picker. Now, easiest way to find this, if you don't want to use the ribbon at the top, is to search for it. Search for the word highlight. Highlight color picker is what you want to run. As a reminder, to show the macro search box, it's Control-Shift-W. So we're going to run this, and what it's going to do is it's going to use the color code behind this bluish color. It's going to show that right here. It's also going to show it right here. And what you're going to do is enter X, a space, then some kind of a word like blue or navy or whatever, and then another space, and then default 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is going to be the new default. Okay? So if we come down here, we run a toggle again. Now blue is the first color. Orange, red, purple, green, etc. It's that easy. Now the other way to change the colors, so you can change those 5 individually if you want. The other way is to run the assign macro defaults. Now this is going to have a whole bunch of defaults. You can see there's also one for the Word and PowerPoint add-ins, but the one right here, what's going to happen is it's going to build a sheet in the active file. I'm not going to run it here because it does take probably 30 seconds or so to build. I just ran that before starting this video, and it looks like this. So it's going to list all the defaults that you can save. If you want to transfer things between computers, this is a helpful way to do it. So just search for the word highlight. Jump down here, and you see how these all together right here, literally you're just going to set a color code and then a dash and then some kind of a label like yellow, orange, etc. Now I ran this before, that's why it still says yellow. That's the other way to do it. To reflect the changes that you make in here, just run that macro again, and if it finds this sheet, it will process whatever changes you've made. So the easier way to make these changes, run the cell highlight picker. If you want to make other changes or all at the same time, run the assign macro defaults. But that's it. There are a lot of other toggles and pickers that are like this that make it very easy to kind of build multiple shortcuts in one. So watch for the other videos that are going to be just like this for other formats. Thanks and good luck.